Keyframes and VN editor can make your videos look like really professional, so it can take your video from one point to the next in a smooth transition. So please smash that subscribe button, please like, and make any comments if you wish. Go down to the little blue cross in the bottom, tap on new project, select your photo video, add it, tap on the timeline. Then you've got the option to add keyframes. I add one keyframe at the end where I want the video to return to. I move along to the beginning where I want the keyframe to start. Now tap on there and then I move my video out to where I want it. And you can see the video moving there out in a minute. Here we go. So I move the video with my fingers to a suitable position and you can see it returning to where it commenced. I tap on the end screen, select delete, go up to the top right hand corner, then export. Please like and subscribe.